My channel Smart Science. Blood and its composition. Okay, blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue which consists of 55% of plasma and 45% of blood cells. It is made up of solid and liquid parts like plasma, liquid and solid parts WBC, RBC and platelets. Different components of blood are given here. They are plasma, red blood cells, we also call it erythrocytes, white blood cells, WBC, leukocytes and platelets. Here are given the different components of blood. They are red blood cell, which is indicated by the arrow, white blood cell, which is indicated by this arrow, next is platelets and plasma. Plasma. The arrow indicates the plasma region of these blood components. It is colorless liquid which contains substances like water, protein, hormones, antibodies, salts, etc. Plasma is a transparent, pale yellowish fluid. Red blood cell. It is also called as RBC. It is known as erythrocytes. RBC are biconcave, circular or disc shape. It carries oxygen from the lungs and to the body tissue for respiration. They are formed in the bone marrow and destroyed in the liver and spleen. The lifespan of RBCs is about 100 to 120 days. They have no nucleus and contain pigments called hemoglobin, which is made of iron. When the number of RBCs decrease, it leads to a disease called anemia. Now, white blood cells. We also call it WBC. It is known as leukocytes. WBCs are colorless and irregular in shape. They have nuclei but no hemoglobin. They are formed in the bone marrow and lymph gland and destroyed in liver and spleen. Lifespan of WBC is about 15 days. They fight with infection and protect us from diseases. So, they are also called as soldiers of the body's defense system. Platelets. They are small, colorless, round or oval shape where the arrow indicates that. They are also known as thrombocytes and destroyed in spleen after a few days. They have no nucleus and lifespan is about 2 to 3 days only. It helps in the coagulation of blood or clotting of blood and healing of the wound so fast. Blood clotting is the body's defense system to prevent from bleeding. Now the function of blood are given here. Blood serves as the communication system within the body by transporting hormones and other substances. It helps in the elimination of waste product produced by all cells of the body. It helps to provide protection of the body against infection, maintenance of pH and body temperature. These are the functions of blood. It supplies nutrition to cell. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.